What is up, everyone? So this evening I come home from school, look in the shop, and there's a lift sitting here. So this is, I don't know what brand it is.
Triumph.
Huh?
It's a Triumph C7000.
Triumph C7000, so I can lift 7,000 pounds right there. How tall is this lift?
It will lift up to 75 inches.
Alright, so lift up to 75 inches. I'd say the posts are a good 7 feet tall. But yeah, 7,000 pound 2-post lift. A movable one too, so we can bolt them in the floor and then pull the bolts out and take this hand truck and pick them up and move them right on out the way. So we had to get it delivered on a semi truck because we have a zone business up there, and so he got it delivered to there, and then he took the tow motor of the fork truck and unforked it off a truck and hauled it down here and dropped it. So we're laying out the parts. Got the arms here, some arms there. There's the control box. So yeah, this will be probably a part 1 out of 3 or 4 series of putting the lift up. And then we got a supercharger coming in for the Mustang, so I'll make some videos installing that supercharger. We already have an intercooler for it?
Cold air intake.
Alright, so we already have a cold air intake for it, so we'll be installing that pretty soon. But for now, we're going to be working on this 7,000 pound lift. Alright, so we're down here doing inventory. We're doing inventory on the lift, make sure we got everything.
Assembly.
See, here's all the stuff.
Two wheels. Serrated. I don't know if I've got all this stuff. Because I don't know what it is. I know I don't have any of these.
Alright guys, what is up? Today is Saturday, March the 2nd. We're out here working on the lift. He's getting the lift level. We'll put these plates on the top. And what we're going to do today is we're going to try and drill those holes right there. That big one, that one where you can see the floor. We're going to drill those out, try to set the posts today. I'm not sure if we're going to get it working today. We probably won't get it working. But yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so I'm out here rubbing the dog, and look what he does. I'll rub him a little bit, right? And then he paw me. And then you want me to rub him a little bit more. You don't want to do it now because of the little camera shot. Line him up with the lift. Yeah, about right there. It's a little tight getting the door open.
Door ain't touching this. Ain't close, is it?
No, yeah.
Door's not even close. Alright, good.
I'm gonna have to extend these under it, and it's pretty good. We just barely skimmed by. How much would you think we skimmed by?
I don't know, maybe a quarter of an inch. The car's lowered only about an inch. So we got by with maybe a quarter of an inch from the pad there. Okay.
Now we know what fits. We can mark the holes and drill it. Do we need a vacuum?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're hammer drilling the holes for the lift to go in, and we got a vacuum cleaner to get all the dust. They say put a piece of tape on how deep you want to put the depth gauge on it so you can figure out the depth. y'all. So it's Monday evening. We're out here. We're about to get the lift to work for the first time. We got the plate put right there. Right now, Jason's putting the plate on this one. Right there. And we're gonna put the plates on. They're already bolted to the floor. So we gotta do a little bit of wiring, fill the tank up with transmission fluid or hydraulic fluid, whatever you wanna call it. Pull the car in here and we're gonna lift it up. What is up, y'all? So it's been a little while since I spoke to you. We've gotten the legs on the lift and the leg lockers. There you go. And the leg lockers, which is them little red things. Got the legs, got the plates on. Now all we gotta do is wiring and hook the hydraulic stuff up.
Do wiring and hydraulics now.
Yeah, and then we can pull the car in here and lift it up. All right, so we're out here again.
Gotta
We're just
purge,
plugging
man.
in, and we gotta purge it. We've gotten everything set up. There we go. That's the lines. One's a little delayed. That's the line. Middle door coming down. We can't raise the stuff after that thing right there. So. Got lined up. Sorry, y'all can't see nothing. So there's a notch. Alright. I got it on this open thing. You can check me.